FinCorp's new NCD issue opens on 31st July 2025, offering effective yield up to 12.62%. Bangalore 2nd August 2025, ICL FinCorp is proud to announce the launch of its latest public issue of secured redeemable non-convertible debentures, NCDs, opening on 31st July 2025. With an effective yield of up to 12.62%, this offering presents an attractive and secure investment opportunity for those seeking flexible tenures. Following the remarkable response to our previous NCD issues, which were oversubscribed, we are truly honored by the trust and confidence placed in us by our valued investors. This continued support inspires us to deliver even more robust financial solutions tailored to the evolving needs of our customers. The NCD issue will remain open until 13th August 2025 and is rated CRISIL BBB stable. Each NCD carries a face value of 1,000 rupees, and the issue offers 10 schemes with 10 options, 10 ISINs, with interest rates ranging from 10.50% to 12.00%. The minimum application amount is 10,000 rupees, making it accessible to a broad spectrum of investors. Proceeds from this issue will be strategically deployed to support ICL FinCorp's growth initiatives and further enhance the quality of services offered to our customers and stakeholders across India. This step reaffirms our commitment to delivering reliable, innovative, and customer-centric financial solutions. With a legacy of 34 years, ICL FinCorp continues to serve as a trusted financial partner under the visionary leadership of CMD, Adverb KG Anil Kumar. Our growing presence spans 9 states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Gujarat, and West Bengal as we move steadily towards establishing a pan-India footprint. The acquisition of Salem Erode Investments, a BSE-listed NBFC with a 93-year history in Tamil Nadu, has further reinforced our position in the financial sector. ICL FinCorp offers a comprehensive portfolio of services, including gold loans, hire purchase loans, and business loans. The ICL Group has also diversified into sectors such as travel, fashion, diagnostics, and charitable initiatives. Under the joint leadership of CMD Adverb KG Anil Kumar and Mrs. Uma Anil Kumar, whole-time Director and CEO, ICL FinCorp continues to operate in compliance with the Reserve Bank of India's standards while earning the enduring trust of customers. As we unveil this new NCD issue, we warmly invite you to be a part of our journey towards financial growth, security, and long-term value.
The benefit for the customer is the good interest rates that we are offering. And the schemes, different schemes according to the requirements. There are various schemes that are offering. Around 10 schemes we are offering in this NCD issue. So the customers can choose according to their interest and risk appetite. They can choose the schemes and invest in the company. And these are secured redeemable debentures, which are we are offering. They're secured against the loan assets of the company. We are mainly into the gold loan, and almost 99% of the gold loan portfolio is in gold loan.
Okay.
These are listed entities. We are listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange. So anyone looking to trade the NCDs, they can do it on the market.
So what is the main name of this company and how double this 70 months?
Double interest rate.
That is one of the schemes where we are offering. Once the customer is investing, suppose 1 lakh rupees, they can get after the end of 70th month, and maturity it will be 2 lakhs.
Totally, how many schemes are there?
10 schemes. Total 10 schemes.
So
there are different schemes from monthly payouts, monthly interest payout is there, where the interest payment will be done on a monthly basis. And there are annual interest payment schemes, then the cumulative schemes where the interest will be accumulated annually and the amount will be given at the time of maturity. So these 3 types of schemes are different, and doubling scheme also.
you are directing
We are
closing on coming 30th of this month. We are a leading non-banking financial company in India, and our presence in 10 states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Odisha, Maharashtra, Gujarat, West Bengal, and Goa. Now, within this financial year, we are planning to start our branches in all over the states in India. Here, our director Venkat Das and CFO Madhav and CS Vishal. If any question from your
Totally,
side,
how many branches is there?
we not one branch.
What is the benefit you get for the customers?
Most of the returns are the main highlight.
Once again,
Center.
once again, you come inside the. Sorry.
Center.